about like roads kind of like that. But that one goes way back in there. I didn't follow it all the way, but they're really not that bad. I mean, there's kind of some spots there's a little bit of brush or whatever, but for the most part, they're pretty clear. But the further you go back, you know, the brushier it gets. But
we'll just go see.
What?
We can just go see. If it gets too brushy, we can come back.
All right. Yeah, and there's one I wanted to show you guys for sure. It's along this road. There's a gray road that goes up to the left, and you follow that, and that's a pretty cool trail. But yeah, I went down like every single trail I could find today.
That's slick on that grass. You throttle that grass and it slides pretty easy. I can see you back there.
I didn't find some of them turn off, and I'm like, well, I hope they didn't turn off.
No, I'll tell you if we do. I'm just trying not to go too fast on this slick grass.
Yeah, I know, that's why I was way behind.
Person did lay it over real easy. I think that's the end of the trail. No?
This is where it turns into the single track. I don't think you want to do that, do you?
Had something in my helmet, some kind of bug. Oh, he hit that mud hole big time, got his feet wet. I'm trying to dodge most of them so I don't get just drafted.
Yeah, I don't care if
You just get wetter and wetter. It didn't rain much down here, don't look like it. Looks about dry. Yeah. Nah, it's not dry anyway, it's wet. Watch that mud right there. My tire was kind of sinking in it or something, my front tire. Should be able to jump that log down there. Yeah, that mud is, you sink your front tire in it some. Yeah. Yeah. You're not allowed to come down these on four-wheelers. Nope. Nope. No four-wheelers on this. This is state, not Mark Twain. The only thing that's allowed in here is motorized, licensed vehicles. It's kind of stupid the way they do it. Watch them sticks back here that roll under your tires. There's more of them.
That's how you get over it.
Cut it down.
What?
Cut it down to the tires on it. Stop I forgot about that one, man.
It ain't there now.
Ain't that bad.
Watch this wet log. Yeah, that one. Oh, boy, hitting him at that angle is no fun. It things tires. Yeah, and your tire slides on it. There's a bump right there, You're about to hit it. Something. A log?
Oh, yeah, it's a log.
Man, I hit that.
That's a log. I forgot about that being there too. No, I hit that. I knew it was just one of those little green.
Hey, look. Poison. Ivy.
What?
Yeah.
Poison ivy.
Oh,
It is?
It's alright. Don't worry about it. It's on your tires. Don't touch it with your hands. Keep your feet up. You probably hit that everywhere out here, all over the place. You can't see it when you're riding. Just watch that brush on the side hitting you on the arms. That's where it hit you. This one looks like it's going to curve back and come back to the main road. It may not. It's going back that direction. Uh-oh. If you hit this one at an angle, you'll go down easy. That log.
This would be a fun one if it was dry.
Yeah. Is that the end of it?
Well, no, do you want to go through this stuff or no?
Nah, I guess it's the end of it, ain't it?
No, it goes on.
Oh.
It just turns into like this, so I don't know if you'll take a bike to it or not.
Did you go through it? Huh?
A little ways before it got real steep.
Oh. Whatever.
That's right. We can always turn around and talk at me or whatever.
It's a horse trail, probably. That's what single lane is, because of horses. Yeah, that's a horse trail is what that is.
Yeah.
We can go back to the road right there, can't we?
Yeah, it's pretty brushy, and there's a coyote hole.
Oh.
And one of them, I about went over the handlebars today. I hit that, you can't see it because there's grass over it. But yeah, we can follow that back down, or we can go back out that way.
Does that go to the road?
Yeah.
We can go that way back, and then we'll go somewhere else. Look.
Alright, yeah. Watch for the coyote trail though.
Okay, tell me on the radio where it's at.
Yeah, I hear him go, oh! That's where it's at.
Okay. Ooh, that's slick. He said there's a hole up here somewhere. What?
What?
I don't know if there's a way around that fence.
Underneath it. Yep.
I don't think we're going to be able to go under that fence. We're going to have to go back. I don't see a way around it very good.
I thought it did. I could have sworn by looking at
Yeah, I seen it.
I didn't go. I haven't went down there yet.
Huh.
It's probably pretty gnarly.
We can just go back out the way we came.
There's a trailer something right there.
Yeah, but we don't know where it goes.
Yeah,
I don't want to go riding through the brush. And yeah, I don't think we're supposed to be on this. Only on the roads. Oh. Right up here's that one stick.
yeah.
Somewhere.
Hold on, I'm
No! Right there's that limb. I hit it real hard. That next past the brush that you're fixing to go through right there.
Yeah, that's it.
I hit that sucker hard again. I thought I was past it. Man, that thing's rough. It's a good way to bust a tube. Yeah, well, I've seen that one. I see it, I can kind of anticipate and do something about it instead of just hitting it head on, full force. Ow!
What?
Kicked the limb up into my tire. Uh-oh, he's stuck.
Yeah, I bought him out. Got it. Yeah, my bottom hit the wall.
Hope you don't knock a hole in your radiator. Huh? I said I hope you don't knock a hole in your radiator. What is that out there? That's a toolbox.
Out where?
Or something out there. It's a fishing tackle box.
Someone had a campfire right here and everything.
Uh-huh.
All I'm doing here for
Blake could be turned around coming back, thinking one of us crashed. Yep. What are you doing?
I'll make sure you guys are okay.
No, we're just not near as fast as you are.
Oh.
You're way better, more experienced.
No, I just been down them before, so I know what they do. Follow this road till it ends, and it comes out way on the boundary line where it ends over on that side. It's pretty cool. It's just a road like this.
Go. He's stopping.
I didn't boost you, did I?
What?
I didn't. Okay, I didn't beat you. My tires are bald, so they spin out every time I give a gas.
Yeah, but they don't throw nothing because they're too bald.
Okay. I didn't realize you were on beside me that close. I was like, oh crap.
Yeah. Did you see that hawk come out there and about hit him? Yeah, there's a hawk come out there. It looked like it just about hit him. These roads do go quite a ways back through the woods. The people in that truck probably think they can't ride dirt bikes back here. Huh?
Is that guy passed out?
Oh, I don't know.
He's the one that takes care of the place or whatever, but...
Have you been on these, or can you ride?
That turns into bully. They both turn into bully.
We're better off just go back this way then.
There's that guy.
Oop. You're wrong. Yeah, we have a license on them. We can go anywhere we want. Yes, you can. Well, we ain't gonna get in trouble. It's a licensed vehicle. I've already checked. You can't be out here on dirt bikes, but if it's a licensed vehicle, you can do it. You can do it on the national forest or the state forest. It's just like a car. You got a license and you pay taxes and license, so you can ride out here. Oh, I understand, but I mean, but if it's licensed, you can. But you can't on dirt bikes or four-wheelers. But if it's a licensed one, you can. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. I understand. Yeah, that's why we. And we're still not allowed to go on these. You can't go on unmarked trails and stuff or out in the woods. No. Just on the roads, just like you can in your pickup. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I understand. Oh yeah. I understand.
That's all we do. We're too old to do that. Okay, well, I didn't mean to aggravate.
Oh, you ain't aggravating me.
Don't want to see anybody get in trouble.
I understand. No problem. We're just going down these roads and seeing where they go, but I don't think any of them go anywhere.
Have you been on the other side of the mountain?
On the other side of the road? We've been over there by the shotgun range out in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of gravel over there.
Huh.
There's lots of gravel. This here gets short. There's lots of roads over there.
Yeah. Yeah, I know we had dirt bikes, or he did, but we couldn't go riding on the national forest because he didn't have, if you don't have a license, you can't even go on Mark Twain on a motorcycle.
Oh, really?
You can go on a four-wheeler, but a dirt bike, you can't even go on Mark Twain unless you have a license. If you have a license, then you can go anywhere in the state as long as it's a road. But
I know there's a lot of gravel over there. There's like 7 miles of fly base, 8 miles on this section.
on this side, oh, yeah.
You go from the shotgun range and going down past the helicopter pad. Then it runs out of it after a while down there. You come back up. Before you get to the helicopter pad, you come back out towards the
He's been out here before. I just live over at Thomas Holler, but I've been down here, but I've never rode over here because you couldn't ride four-wheelers over here back when I rode four-wheelers, but
There's lots of gravel. There's lots of gravel on the other side. A whole lot more gravel over there now.
oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
There's no way back here.
we're just riding on the road. We're not
Oh
going
yeah.
up in the
Oh, I know that, bud.
Well, I ain't gonna go out in the brush.
I didn't know who y'all were.
Yeah.
I just don't want to see anybody.
Yeah, I don't want to go out in the brush. I don't want to tear my bike up. It's not no dirt bike. It looks, they just look like dirt bikes, but they're not no dirt bike. Yeah.
Well, man, hopefully we're going to drive around a little more.
All righty. Take care. He started to get smart with me at first.
Yeah.
And I told him, I said, well, you're wrong. I bet you if I turn you in, you'll be in trouble. He's like, no, I won't. We got a licensed vehicle just like you're driving right there. He thought it was just a bunch of dirt bikers out playing. Which I understand that. Even if we seen a game warden, he's going to stop us, I'm sure. Yeah, he might not if he sees your license plate. Right. I've had cops in town about break their necks trying to look, see if I had a license on it, see, because they thought it was a dirt bike. Of course, I had that one guy pull me over because he thought I was on a dirt bike on the DR. But this thing looks more like a dirt bike than the DR did. I figured that when that old boy come down there, he was coming to look for us. Look at that, some idiot stuck a beer can in there.